Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Nature 2 Cense Island Pleasure. What is Nature 2 Cense Island Pleasure? Nature 2's Cense Island Pleasure provides spa owners with a MPS, monopersulfate, shock treatment that has the added benefit of a fragrance additive that helps eliminate chlorine odors. Cense Island Pleasure's MPS shock will remove contaminants from your spa water, bringing back the crystal clear water quality you remember without adding any more chlorine to your system. After treatment, all that remains will be the soothing aromas of mandarin, coconut, pineapple, vanilla, and soft jasmine in the softened water, leaving you nothing to do but soak your worries away. Product benefits: relieves tension and stimulates the senses with 4 inviting fragrances. Powder products will not clog filters like aroma oils. Dosage: 1 tablespoon per 250 gallons of water after each use. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.